Compact, rugged and weather-resistant, IPX7, controller for your vehicle's 12-volt accessories. Wirelessly control up to 6 outputs of up to 30 amps each, from your compatible Garmin Navigator or smartphone downloaded with the Garmin PowerSwitch app and paired to the Garmin PowerSwitch digital switch box. Easy to install, no cutting into your dashboard to mount switches and no interference with vehicle electronics. Expand your reach by controlling up to 4 of your Garmin PowerSwitch devices from your compatible Garmin Navigator or smartphone downloaded with the Garmin PowerSwitch app and paired to your Garmin PowerSwitch digital switch box. Pair with a Tread PowerSport Navigator, sold separately, to create and use automated smart switches, based on vehicle speed and time of day. Customize virtual switch panels with labels, icons and channel groups as well as controls for dimming and flashing on your compatible device's touchscreen using the Garmin PowerSwitch app downloaded on your compatible Garmin Navigator or smartphone paired with your Garmin PowerSwitch digital switch box. Use the Garmin PowerSwitch digital switch box to control your vehicle's 12-volt accessories, including light bars, horns, air compressors, differential locks and more. The compact, weather-resistant, IPX7 box is easy to install with no cutting into your dash to mount switches and no interference with vehicle electronics. Wirelessly connect with your compatible Garmin Navigator or smartphone downloaded with the Garmin PowerSwitch app and paired with your Garmin PowerSwitch digital switch box for simple control of accessory outputs right from your touchscreen device. Create custom virtual switch panels to activate groups of channels and control dimming and flashing. When the device is paired with the Tread PowerSport Navigator, sold separately, you can create and use smart switches that automatically activate, based on vehicle speed and time of day. Top review from the United States. The PDU to end all PDUs. Easy install, easy configuration, no plumbing wires through the firewall. Boy, this thing could have saved me hundreds of hours building my own Bussman PDU. Sure, the Bussman came out very neatly, but access to the wires are under the unit, making it very difficult to plug in. Sorry, I didn't see this until it was installed in the engine bay. This Garmin has been installed for 30 days and it's ridiculously easy to install and use. You can use your smartphone or Garmin Nav unit to control the switching. Best of all, it has all of the features of its competitors, including fading, strobing, etc., for at least $100 less. In some cases, as much as $500 less. And yes, you can install more than module if your needs require it. Okay, it's only been in for 30 days. I'll update at 6 and 12 most to see if it's as reliable as it is today.